will cover in this short session how to recover an Oracle database on a target host as an app-aware mount database when the target host setup is running on an ASM configuration and the source DB archive logs are also protected using the Actifio snapshot policies as per the RPO configuration in SLA settings. Before starting with the recovery process, if the source and target database configuration is using ASM, then the Actifio mount process will mount the virtual database on the ASM disk group. In this demo, we are going to show you the same scenario. Let's start by logging into the Actifio user face, or also known as the GUI desktop. Open the Application Manager screen by selecting the service icon at the bottom of the screen in the Actifio desktop GUI. From the navigation pane on the left-hand side of the display of the Actifio desktop GUI, select App, then Local, then Oracle, and select your Oracle application which you want to use as the source to do an app-aware mount using the recovery process. Navigate to the Restore tab, which is highlighted on the top menu strip, and then select a restore. Select the desired snapshot in the Restore window. By default, it will highlight to the latest snapshot. Alternatively, you can select a backup period using the previous option by selecting a time period of backups. Assuming that you have selected the latest snapshot, you can see the corresponding snapshot image details on the left-hand side. Using the gear icon on the snapshot image, select the option Mount. A window appears, and here you need to enter a few details. Fill in the label details with a meaningful name to denote the activity. This is an optional value. Select the desired target host using the Select Host drop-down window. For the preferred disk group name, you can leave this blank, and Actifio will create a disk group with a naming convention abbreviated with an ACT underscore format. Alternatively, you can enter a name if you want to create an ASM disk group with a specific name. Real Application Cluster Node List. If you want to mount a virtual database as a clustered database on multiple nodes, then you have to enter multiple real application cluster node IPs with the separating symbol. For standalone systems, leave it blank. In this demo, we are showing how to mount a virtual database on a target database host as standalone ASM, so we are leaving this field as blank. Select the App-Aware Mount option. A window now appears on the screen. As we discussed at the beginning of this demo, source database logs are also protected using Actifio. You can see the option on top of the App-Aware Mount provisioning options window, for example, roll forward time. You can use the pointer option to select the desired time to recover virtual databases until that time. If source database logs are not protected using Actifio, then you will not get this option on the App-Aware Mount provisioning window. The rest of the window consists of all mount provisioning options where you can choose the target service ID, username, target Oracle home, target TNS admin path. So I am entering a value for this target service ID as DemoDB. Username is Oracle, and details of Oracle Home and TNS admin as per the target database host. You can leave all the rest of the fields, but you need to fill these in as per your requirement. Scroll down and enable Restore and Recovery. By default, this box will be enabled. Enable the standalone non-real application cluster option if the target host is a non-real application cluster. Select the Next button. A small window appears with the details. Review these details and select the Done button. The process will direct to the System Monitor window where we can see the jobs running. Then, highlight the mount job to check the detailed progress and status.
Thank you for joining us for another YouTube Tech Tip video. If you like the content you're seeing on this channel, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you will be alerted to any future content.